Hey YouTube, glad we meet again. This time, let's talk about my deck. These two images are the top view of it. It was rebuilt in 2012 due to some damage on the structure and age materials. I kept the size as it is and changed the shape a bit to be all leveled now. No more steps which split into two areas. I changed the type of wood from cedar, which is softwood, to Batu, which is hardwood. This type of wood grows in a tropical environment. Mine comes from Indonesia. My background is Indonesian. In fact, the name of Batu is Indonesian. It means stone in English. Not only it looks pretty and sturdy, I also got a lifetime warranty if it's damaged in the future, so I chose it. The contractor asked me to oil it every year and asked me to buy the oil from him because most stores didn't have the kind which is suitable for Batu. But I only did it once, and that was a year after. That's it. I didn't put it as a priority. As years go by, the dirt and mildews build up on the woods which turn the color from bright reddish brown to dirty black. Not nice. I decided then to oil it, and first thing I did was buy the power wash. I surveyed which one is the best, not too fancy but enough power, so I got this one from Home Depot. I also ordered a big brush from an online store after reading good feedbacks from the users. It's big and thick, makes painting faster than using regular brush. Then I emailed the contractor who built my deck that I wanted to buy the oil from him again. 3 days passed, no answer. Then I called him the next day. I could only reach his assistant, so I asked her to ask him to reply to my request. 2 days passed, still no answer. I became impatient, so I googled and got an info about the oil for Batu. But too bad, the stores are all 5-hour flight away from my place, and they said the shipping fee will be so costly. So then I decided to go to the local deck store to get their advice. I like going inside. Beautiful designs of the deck there. So after talking to them, here are what I was suggested to purchase: the main oil and the colored tones. I took walnut tone for most boards and black acetone for the trims. Then when I got back home, I noticed that the contractor finally replied me and said that he doesn't carry the oil anymore and mentioned the name of the other oil, which what I got from my local store. Duh! Hot days are the perfect time to do any painting job. I moved all the furniture and other stuffs out of the deck to my lawn, swept the debris, power washed it, and left it for a day to dry. Using the paint tape, I covered the areas which don't need to get oiled. In my case, the bottom part of the railings and the bricks. Then I prepared the oil. I mixed it with walnut tone and stirred it. This would go to all flat boards. I oiled the tight areas first using the regular brush. Since my big brush that I ordered had not come yet, I kept using the regular brush to oil the boards. I left it a day until it's dry. Then I oiled it all again for the second time. All of them. Now for the siding boards, I bought a paint spray to oil them just to make the job easier and quicker. When all sides were done, I made sure they looked okay and no more oil needed. I still had 1/3 can of oil left, and this was enough to oil the trims. I added the black acetone to it and stirred. I was finished oiling the sides and trims within a day, and I did it just once. I waited for 2 days to make everything dry before I put the furniture back to the deck. So far, I'm happy with the result. I finished 3 cans of oil, 3 cans of walnut tone, and 1 can of black acetone. I spent 4 sunny days to completely finish oiling all. Even though I bought some new equipment to do it, I'm sure I still saved a lot of money by doing it myself. And oh, the brush that I ordered finally came a day after everything was finished. Oh well, here how it looks. Just as I expected. It's thick and soft. I could use it for next year and years to come. Thanks for watching. See you in my next